Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever this happens to be when you're viewing this. As you well know by now, I am your professor, and I wanted to check in with you, especially in regards to number one, all of your well being. I hope everybody is doing well. But chapter 3. So before we begin talking about it, um, this is really one of the chapters that kind of gets into the meat of what business math really is. Now, for some of you, I know that this is going to be a bit of a review, but I want you to look at it with the spin on business. The questions that are in chapter 3, those of you who have already seen it, you'll see really they really relate to business. Even the word problems, really, they're asking you business questions. So that's how you really want to think about it. I think I sent out an announcement a few days or a week or so ago that really related chapter 2 to business. This is going to be more of the same. So if my technology is working correctly, you will be seeing what I'm seeing on my other screen. And it really is just a copy of your homework. So I'm going to be brief in regards to this because I know people don't like to hang on to these videos for too long and they want to kind of get to work. But I do want to just point out there how relative this is to business and how you can really think about it and put it in that perspective. You can see by the questions, 228 stores is 57% of what number of stores? In a couple of minutes, we're going to go through a process of figuring this out. In some of your homework, I've shown you a shortcut that I learned years ago. You can use whatever you want. The bottom line is that you need to come up with the right answer and understand what the process is. And a lot of you will notice on your homework, if you happen to transpose a number incorrectly, or if it seemed like you got the answer wrong, I kind of wrote it out for you, but I still gave you credit for it because it really is about understanding the process. I know what happens sometimes when we're turning in homework. We can write things down wrong, or we can look and see that the number is different and something in our calculation is incorrect. I don't want to necessarily not give you points for that. Processes are very important in this type of work. You can see number 2. What is 8% of 425 coins, right? So that is if somebody was coming into your store and you were trying to transfer things over and you needed to know percentages of money. This is the chapter that absolutely shows you this.